a mushroom stir fry with some sauce and beef go with rice. Might put the olive oil first, and I'm gonna put the beef in now. And now mushroom, and I need some garlic. Put garlic in as well. Lots of big ants around here. Scared it. And then a bit of salt and pepper, as much as you want. So I might put some soy sauce now because I like soy sauce with the mushroom. So I just got some herb from home. Gonna put some maybe rosemary. Any herb would be alright. And I got a bit of thyme. So I'm just gonna put a bit of a thyme in here. Get a flavor of it. Very authentic. How do you say it?
Authentic?
Authentic. Alright, I'm gonna cover it and then I'll come back and have a look again in 5 minutes. Put some oyster sauce.
What sauce is that?
Oyster sauce. Make it umi. Nice oyster sauce too. This band is a good band. It's good for every stir fry. So this is a good for put in fried rice. So I'm gonna put in the fried rice a bit. Yeah, that's it.
That one?
That one. Just need to wait until the beef cook. We might cover it for another 5 minutes and we come back for that. Some mushroom, Christian like mushroom. Now I'm gonna chop this up. Perfect. Something easy and basic. And yummy. Cheese.